Find the present value using the present value formula to achieve $4,500 in 5 years at 4.2% simple interest. So the question is asking present value. So this is unknown. That is unknown value, present value, which is P. Let's take a look what is known value. Known value in this case is 4,500, which is the amount. And also the 5 years is given, which is T. And also the rate is given, which is in this case 4.2%. Notice that this is also mentioned about the simple interest. So question is asking to find the fee by using the present value formula. So we can actually have this formula I is equal to phi r t. That's the simple interest formula once this is given, but the problem is we cannot use this one. The reason we cannot use this one is because it doesn't have any amount. Because amount is given, this one doesn't have any amount. So we're going to look for something called future value that is going to look like this one down here. We're going to use this one down here. So we do have a future value which is amount equal to, this is the principal, 1 plus RT. This is like interest is inside. So this is principal plus interest, that is the total amount. So this is the formula we're going to use. But this is a future value formula. But question is asking using the present value formula. Doesn't really matter. We can solve for it actually. Come up with a future value formula. If we substitute, in other words, if we divide 1 plus RT in both sides by isolating phi, we can easily get that one. Not only this, we can actually get into another form, which is like negative exponent. Like for example, this is A and this is on the bottom, so power is always 1, so we can actually move upstairs by having a negative exponent. So this is a present value formula. This is a present value formula. P is present value. A is the future value. So as P is the present value, A is the future value. So this is basically the present value formula. Whereas this one is future value formula, but either way is going to work. So I'm going to actually individually work all three, but all three is going to give us the same answer. I have A is 4,500 equal to phi, which we don't really know. Present value we are looking for. 1 plus R, in this case 4.2% times the year, which is a 5 year. So I can bring down, do this little bit algebra, 4,500, and I can multiply this through any calculator, like this one down here. 1 plus 4.2% times 5, enter. 1.21. So 1.21 phi. I'm going to divide by 1.21 in both sides. 1.21 divided by 1.21. This got cancelled. So phi is approximately 4,500 divided by 1.21. That is 3719. 3719.01. Well, we can round it up here. Mode, go to float and choose number 2. Money answer 100 place. Enter. It's solid. Then I have to get rid of this screen. Press clear. Enter again. This is what it exactly look like. Now we can find the present value by using the future value formula. Nothing wrong with it actually. So this is fine. Or if you want to use this formula, which is a present value formula, it still is going to work the same way. So while this is going to be phi, well, same thing. A in this case is 4,500. We're going to substitute here. So A is going to be 4,500 over 1 plus R, rate in this case 4.2% times 5. So same thing, we can actually plug it into calculator. I can erase it again, erase the calculator, and 4,500 divided by 1 plus 4.2 second open parentheses times 5 should give me the same thing. $3,719.01. Now, if we look into the next one, which is looking a little bit different, but still is same thing, we can do the same way. Fee is equal to A, 4,500. 1 plus R, which is 4.2 percentage, times 5 to the power negative 1. And we can just type it also in the calculator. Let's see, we're getting the same thing here. 4,500 open parentheses 1 plus 4.2 percentage times 5 close parentheses. Remember, we need to have a negative exponent, so press the power button, this negative with the parentheses, 1, enter. Exactly same thing. We can round it up even. Go down here, round it, enter, clear, enter. Same thing, no matter where we look, it's exactly same thing. So P is approximately 3719.01 cents.